What's going on, guys? Happy Earth Day. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and today I want to talk about the upcoming IPO from Beyond Meat. Now, I know lately I've been doing a lot of videos about IPOs from tech companies like Lyft, Uber, Pinterest, and Zoom, but today being Earth Day, we're going to focus on a plant-based protein food provider in Beyond Meat. Now, if you haven't heard from the company, this is what they do. While BM's home is in LA, they operate worldwide, okay? What they do is they provide plant-based meats, mostly coming from pea proteins. Of course, as of now, they're a privately held company, which most of the stake is held by the founder. However, keep in mind that Tyson's Food does hold a 6.6% stake in the company. When it comes to the supermarkets they're in, you could find BM's products in Whole Food markets. Also, you can find their products in Mom's and different other organic and other fresh produce stores. However, we know that the national distribution is through Whole Foods markets in terms of in-store, brick-and-mortar store locations and having their products. As of last week, Trifecta, which delivers organic prepared foods, added BM's products to its menu. When it comes to their finances, as of today, Beyond Meats has not turned a profit, okay? They have not earned a profit. However, that's something that we typically hear from a lot of companies that are looking to expand. It's not that they're not bringing in revenues. It's just they haven't turned a profit based on them expanding and trying to make their business global or at least dominate the U.S. markets. When it comes to how much their estimated value is, on the other hand, the estimates right now are coming in at about $1.21 billion. And that equals out to the shares being worth about $19 to $21 when they first are released. So early pricing on their IPOs on their shares are going to be between $19 and $21. We know this does change from week to week. And based on this information being released, we expect shares to be available for sale within the next 7 to 30 business days. Now, we don't know an exact date, but we should know soon. Also, a quick note on their marketing efforts. If you don't know already, their biggest brand ambassador is Boston Celtics point guard Kyrie Irving, all-star NBA champion Kyrie Irving. They don't have anyone else that I would consider as popular as Kyrie Irving. They do have other celebrities that are pushing the product and pushing the brand. However, Kyrie Irving is the most well-known ambassador. Lastly, what about the field? What about the competition? Where do they stand? Right now, we won't say that BM has a market share lead on the competitors. They do have a good portion of the market, but we wouldn't say that they dominate the market at this moment. Some of their competitors are Boca Foods, Field Roast, Impossible Foods, Light Life, Morning Star, Tofurkey, and Garden. So that's our quick summary on Beyond Meats. We're talking about, again, a plant-based meat company that is pretty even when it comes to competing with the field. They may have some competitive advantages, but I believe just being in Whole Foods and being available at certain markets and certain delivery services doesn't necessarily put you at a competitive advantage over the others, because this is a new market, not a new market, but this is an emerging market. We know that when the popularity of plant-based diets and eating organically and just structuring your diet away from the typical diet of most Americans is something that has been on the rise for the last 10 years. So where it goes in the next 20, 30, or 40 years, we'll have to see. But guys, I really do want to hear from you, especially those who partake in plant-based diets, those who are vegans, and those who don't eat animal products. I want to know how you feel about the company. Do you feel like they're better than the competitors? Do you feel like you like their products, you dislike their products? Do you feel like you would be an investor because you believe in what they produce and you believe in the next 10 to 20 years they'll still be around? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot of videos coming out. We have a lot going on as we close out Financial Literacy Month, so make sure you subscribe and you have your notifications on, because you don't want to miss what's coming this month.